dwarf planets. The International Astronomical Union IAU has defined a planet as a celestial body that is in orbit around a star but is not itself a satellite, has sufficient mass so it is nearly spherical in shape, and has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. On the other hand, a dwarf planet is defined as a celestial body that is in orbit around a star but is not itself a satellite, and has sufficient mass so it is nearly spherical in shape, has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbits. The only difference between a planet and a dwarf planet is the area surrounding each celestial body. A dwarf planet has not cleared the area around its orbit, while a planet has dwarf planet could not do so because of small size and less gravitational pull. There are five officially recognized dwarf planets in our solar system. They are Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. With the exception of Ceres, which is located in the asteroid belt, the other dwarf planets are found in the outer solar system, that is Kuiper belt. Pluto is considered to be a dwarf planet because objects in the Kuiper belt are within its orbit and it is unable to attract them. For many years, Pluto was thought of as the farthest known planet from the Sun. Pluto has five moons. Moon Heterosatellite is a body in space that orbits a larger body planet. The larger body is referred to as the satellite's primary. Natural satellites that orbit planets are often called moons. Our moon, named Luna, is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. Its diameter is 3,475 km and its mass is 7.3 into 10 power 22 kilogram, which is 1 over 81 of Earth. Its density is 3.347 gram per centimeter cube. The average distance of the moon from the Earth is 384,400 kilometers, which is 238,857 miles. The moon orbits the Earth every 27 days and 7 hours. The effect of gravity on moon surface is 1/6 of Earth's gravity. The average surface temperature of the moon is 107 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 153 degree Celsius is at night. Moon has no atmosphere but it has negligible amount of inert gases. It takes 1.3 seconds to moonlight to reach the Earth. Moon is one fourth the size of its mother planet, that is Earth. Solar and lunar eclipse भी कर लेते हैं. An eclipse that plays when one heavenly body such as a moon or planet moves into the shadow of another heavenly body. There are two types of eclipses on Earth: an eclipse of the moon and an eclipse of the sun. Lunar eclipse: the moon moves in an orbit around Earth and at the same time Earth orbits the sun. Sometimes Earth moves between the sun and the moon. When this happens, Earth blocks the sunlight that normally is reflected by the moon. This sunlight is what causes the moon to shine. Instead of light hitting the moon's surface, Earth's shadow falls on it. This is an eclipse of the moon. A lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse can occur only when the moon is full. A lunar eclipse can be seen from Earth at night. The Earth casts a long conical shadow in space. At any point within that cone, the light of the sun is wholly obscured. Surrounding the shadow cone, also called the umbra, is an area of partial shadow called the penumbra. A lunar eclipse usually lasts for a few hours. At least two partial lunar eclipses happen every year, but total lunar eclipses are rare. It is safe to look at a lunar eclipse. Three types of lunar eclipse होते हैं. Penumbral lunar eclipse: the moon only passes through the penumbra of Earth's shadow. It is rarely visible from Earth as there is slight change of color of the moon. Partial lunar eclipse: one part of the moon passes through the umbra of Earth's shadow, then it is termed as partial lunar eclipse as its whole area is not obscured by the shadow. Total lunar eclipse क्या है? When the entire moon passes through the umbral region of Earth's shadow and moon is totally obscured. ये हमारे पास डायग्राम है. सन और बीच में जो है हमारे पास अर्थ है, मून और सन के, पेनम्ब्रा, अम्ब्रा एंड सेकेंड पेनम्ब्रा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है सोलर एक्लिप्स. समटाइम्स व्हेन द मून ऑर्बिट्स अर्थ it moves between the sun and earth. When this happens, The moon blocks the light of the sun from reaching Earth. This causes an eclipse of the sun or solar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts a shadow onto Earth. This shadow on the Earth consists of two regions, the umbra and the penumbra. Solar eclipses happen once every 18 months. Unlike lunar eclipses, solar eclipses only last for a few minutes. Solar eclipse always occurs at the time of new moon. Penumbra, umbra, Earth's orbit, total eclipse, total partial Earth moon's orbits. Never look directly at the sun, it can permanently damage your eyes. You must use proper safety equipment to look at any type of solar eclipse. Types of solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers the sun as seen from Earth. The totality during such an eclipse can only be seen from a very small area on Earth. This area is usually about 100 miles, 160 km wide, and 10,000 miles, 16,100 km long. Areas outside this track may be able to see a partial eclipse of the sun. Looking at a solar eclipse without any protective eyewear can severely harm one's eyes. A partial solar eclipse can be observed then when the earth, moon and sun do not align in a perfectly straight line and the moon only partially covers the disk of the sun. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon appears smaller than the sun as it passes centrally across the solar disk and a bright ring or annulus of sun remains visible during the eclipse. Why don't we have a lunar eclipse every month? You might be wondering why we don't have a lunar eclipse every month as the moon orbits Earth. It's true that the moon goes around Earth every month, but it doesn't always get in Earth's shadow. The moon's path around Earth is tilted compared to Earth's orbit around the sun. The moon can be behind Earth but still get hit by light from the sun.